Hello, my name is Eric Hagan.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
And today is Monday, December 19th, 2011. Last Thursday, the Labor Department announced that 366,000 Americans filed initial jobless claims in the week ending December 10th. This is the lowest weekly figure since March of 2008. This was a drop of 19,000 from the preceding week and refuted the expectations of some economists. This may be a sign that the jobless rate, currently at 8.6%, could be poised to fall further.
The federal government's Consumer Price Index was flat in November after a 0.1% retreat in October. While core inflation rose 0.2% last month, the Federal Reserve now expects 1.7% inflation across 2012 compared to a projected 2.8% for 2011. Producer prices were up 0.3% in November. Core PPI advanced 0.1%. The year-over-year rise in wholesale prices was 5.7%, the smallest 12-month gain since March.
While many economists hope for a bigger advance, the 0.2% November increase marked the sixth straight monthly gain for this indicator. Lower gas prices may have left consumers with greater discretionary funds. On Friday, AAA said that a gallon of regular unleaded fuel averaged $3.25 nationally, 18.4% below a peak hit just this past May.
Gold lost a whopping 6.93% last week. Oil fell 5.49%. Gold settled in at $1597.90 on the COMEX, and oil closed Friday, NYMEX trading at $93.87.
Citing the absence of a credible financial backstop in the EU debt crisis, Fitch Ratings downgraded France Friday and placed the credit ratings of Spain and Italy on review. It was a rough end to a week, as these numbers point out. The Dow Jones Industrials Average was down just over 2.5%, closing at 11,866. The S&P 500 down almost 3% to 1219, and the NASDAQ down almost 3.5% to 2555.
So what's happening this week? No major U.S. economic releases are scheduled for today.
Tomorrow we learn about November housing starts, and earnings reports arrive from Nike, Oracle, Conagra, and General Mills.
And Wednesday brings the NAR report on November's existing home sales plus earnings out of CarMax, Bed Bath & Beyond, and Walgreens.
Thursday we get the final December Consumer Sentiment Survey from the University of Michigan, the Consumer Board's LEI for November, initial claims numbers, and the final third quarter GDP estimate from Washington.
And to close out the week on Friday, three big reports: November new home sales, durable good orders, and consumer spending.
That's what we're watching this week. My name is Eric Hagan.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So be certain to subscribe, and we'll see you then.